Good day, everyone. Now let's discuss part 3, or finding the base. Okay? Again, the essential skills are multiplication and division of integers and decimals. Okay, now it's the division. Division tayo, mostly division. And close your eyes, give me your hand, darling. I love to learn mathematics. I love to learn mathematics. I love to learn math. Okay? Now, our main task is finding the base. Again, just to review, the rate is the percent. Again, yung may mga percent. Like that. Okay? The percentage is the result when a number, say 100, is multiplied by the percent, such as 20%. So, 100 times 0.2, it's 20. Diba? I have a video on that, so please watch the video. And now, base. The base is the amount you are taking a percent of. Okay, you will get the idea of the base once we have examples. Okay, so I discussed this also, that the percentage formula is just, okay, given a triangle, percentage is base times the rate. Okay, ganyan pagka-understand, ganyan usually pagka-discuss. A percentage is base times rate. Diba? Kapag magkatabi na variables, multiplication siya. Base times rate. So, percentage is base times rate. Okay? And now, since our task is to find the base, so syempre, mag-iba ang formula. So again, let us go back with our triangle. Percentage siya, taas, base, and the rate. Okay? So, if we're looking for the base, guys, base, so this sign is division. Ito ang pang shortcut nyo sa mind. So, if it's base, hence, percentage sa taas divided by the rate. Ah, ganyan lang pala. Yes, ganyan na ganyan lang po. Okay? When you're looking for a percentage, multiply base times rate. If we're looking for a base, percentage divided by rate. So, ipasok sila sa triangle at malalaman mo kung division na siya. Okay? Example number 1. The percentage given is 50 and the rate is 50%. Now, the question is, what is the base? Ay, very basic. Diba? Given na lahat. At may name na siya. Siya si percentage 50, si rate 50, base ang needed. So, ang base is just percentage over rate. And percentage given is 50. Rate is 50%. And remember, we should not deal with the percents here. We must deal with the decimals. Okay? So, convert. So, 50%, 1, 2. May lesson din ako dito. So, it's just 50 divided by 0.50 or just 100. You try dividing that by yourself and you will know. Sige, isolve natin to, no? Diba? 0.50 tapos 50. In my discussion also with division of decimals, ano nga yun? Move 2 times, 1, 2, kasi 2 decimal places. So, move din tayo dito, 1, 2. So, we will write 2 zeros. Okay. Then, 50. Here, may 50. So, 1. 1 times 50, 50. Minus 50 minus 50, 0. Since may dalawang zeros pa na na-remain, so ilagay na lang po sa quotient or the answer. And that's it. That's just it. Basta lang importante yung ma-remember is this. Percentage is base times rate. Base is percentage over rate. But sometimes, though you understand the formula and you know how to divide decimals, the question or writing the question, understanding the question is somehow difficult, no, at times. But in this case, no, example number 2, the number 15 is 20% of what number? Okay, so ang clue natin, of what number? Usually of, this word of what number? So, ang number 15 daw ay 20% ng anong number. If this is how the problem is stated, usually guys, say, let's change the given. The number 30 is 50% of what number? Or the number 20 is 70% of what number? Or again, the number 100 is 80% of what number? If that's the case, if that's the question, if that's the way the question is stated, we're looking for the base. Okay? Ilagay sa mind nyo the number 15 kasi may resulta na tayo. The result is the number 15 already. And we're looking for what specific number? No, kinuha si 15. Diba? Okay, so the number 15 is 20% of what number? So, base is just percentage over rate. Okay? Percentage, ang number. Number. Okay, so the number is 15. Sa original given tayo. And the rate is 20%. Okay, we can divide by a percent. So we will have that into decimal 1, 2. So it's 0.20. And do the math. Okay, so do the math. So let's divide here. 0.20 divided by 15. So we have 2 decimal places. Move 2 times. 1, 2. Here, move 2 times. 1, 2. So we have 2 zeros. Okay, then I have a discussion on this, no? So please revisit if you don't know how to divide decimal. Okay, so it's 7 ang closest, no? Because 7 times 20, 140. Ah, correct. 140 minus 150 minus 140 is 10. Tapos may 0 pa, bring down. Dapat ganyan na po, ha? So again, ang essential skill po dito ay division of decimal. If you don't know how to divide decimal, then please do not proceed here yet. Visit division muna. Division. I have a detailed discussion. Please revisit. Ha? Kasi here, hindi ko na i-review paano pag-divide. Ha? Para hindi na tayo mag-take time pa. So, 5. 5 times 20, 100. At since 0 na, it's okay. Hence, the base is 25. Now, baka magtanong kayo, totoo ba, sir? Totoo ba talaga? Okay. So, since this is the base, no? Let's try looking for the percentage. So, ano nga? Percentage. Okay, let's have different color. Percentage is just base times the rate. Okay, may base tayo, 75. 75 times 20%. Oh, easy lang. Diba? Ang weight natin sa pag-solve ay 10% muna. Diba? 10% of 75. 7.5, sir. Okay, good. Another 10% of 75. 7.5. Hence, 10 and 10, 20%. 7.5 plus 7.5, 15. And correct, here, the percentage is 15. Ay, basic. I love to learn math basics. Math basics. Wow, wow, wow. So easy lang pala. Diba? Ilagay sa mind at heart nyo na easy lang pala ito na topic. Okay? Basta, ganito na pagka-state na question. The number 15 is 20% of what number? We're looking for a bigger number. We're looking for what number, no? So, we're looking for the base. Ha? Now, let's have example number 3. 30 is 40% of what number? Okay, see? Parang ang pagka-state talaga, pag we're looking for the base, we're looking for what number na minultiply natin sa rate, ang percentage ang lumabas. Pero this is the other way around. We're looking again for the base. So, if this is how the problem is stated, we're looking for the base. Such as 20 is 50% of what number? We're looking for the base. Ilagay sa mind nyo. 100 is 80% of what number? Balik na naman, paulit-ulit. 10 is 20% of what number? Again, if that's the case, we're looking for the base. At ilagay sa mind, B is P over R. Susulat lang, isulat. Si percentage ay 30. Si rate, diretso na. 1, 2, so it's 0.40. And do the math. So let's do the math here. Para lang ma-review kayo. 0.40 divided by 30. 2 decimal places move. 1, 2. Here, our decimal place, 1, 2. So, since dalawang movement, so dalawang 0 tayo. Here, ano ang pinakamalapit na number? 6 times 4, 24. Ay, parang hindi. 7 times 4, 28. Ay, parang. Kasi kung 8 tayo, 8 times 4, 32 na, hindi na. So, 7 times 4, 28 or 280. So, 300 minus 280 is 20. May 0 pa po. So, bring down 0. Tapos, 200 divided by 40 ay 5 yan, sir. 5. 5 times 0, 0, tapos 20. And that's it. Your answer is 75. Wow! Basic lang pala, sir. Yes, again, the essential skill na sinabi ko ay division of decimal. Please do have the mastery on that. If you don't have the mastery, wag mo na po ito na video. Balikan nyo muna po ang video ko about division. May shortcut ako doon. Don't mess with somebody. Don't mess with somebody or DMSB. Ito ang shortcut ko sa division. Paki-visit and you will know. You will have the mastery after that. Okay? Example number 4. Here, 25% of what number? See? Parang clue na natin. Okay, of what number? If ganito na mga statement, of what number? Sabi ni sir, base daw, we're looking for the base. Okay? So, parang interchange lang ang sentence. Passive form, active form, or anong tawag dyan, no? Basta, pag makita nyo ito na question, 25% of what number is 120? So, it's just the same as 50% of what number is 100? 80% of what number is 200? If that's the case, base. So, imagine nyo naman sa triangle, percentage is base times rate. Hence, base is P over R. Again, ilagay nyo na lang nyo yan sa mind nyo. Okay, and let's solve. Ang percentage is 120. And 25% is 0.25. And let's do the math. Okay, so 0.25. So same pattern, guys, no? 1, 2, 1, 2. Wow! Yes. Pinakamalapit, 25 sa 120. 25 times 4, 100. 25 times 5, 125. Ay, 4 lang ako dapat. Because for 25 times 4, 100. So, may 200 na naman. So, kung 200, 4 times 25, 100. So, dapat 8. Di ba? Kasi 8 times 25, it's 200. Okay? 200 minus 200, 0. So, since 0 na, pero may dapat pa tayong i-bring down na 0, so put our 0 here as our last part sa quotient. Hence, the answer is 480. Paano nga i-check? So, let's check. Percentage is base times rate. So, ang base natin is 480. Tapos, si rate natin ay 25%. How easy. Okay, let's solve that, no? So, 10% of 480. My first video ako about this. Please watch. 48. 10% of 480. 48. Baka you'll be asking, paano yan sinolve? Look or watch my first video. Tapos 5%. So, half nito, 24. Hence, this is just 120. Okay? Ganyan lang po ka-basic. 120. And we have a correct answer. Diba? Wow na wow. Okay? Last question. Here, parang hindi na what number, no? Of what number, pero makukuha mo rin na siya ang hinahanap. Like this. 32 shipments is 8% of how many shipments? Pero kung number siya, 32 is 8% of what number? No, di ba? parang nilagyan lang siya po ng mga given such as 32 pesos is 8% of how much money. Parang mga ganyan. Diba? So, of how many shipments? Of what number? Okay? Later on, in the following videos and the succeeding videos, I'll be having examples about the three. Percentage, base, and rate, pero mga real-life examples na po. Diba? And you will decide what to use. Here, we're looking for the base. Base is just percentage over the rate. Ang percentage ay ang number. So, lagay agad ang number sa numerator. Yan ang tandaan nyo also. Number sa numerator. O, sige, at least N at saka N sa numerator. Sa denominator, ang rate sa denominator. So, NN. Yan na lang tandaan nyo. NN. Number, numerator. Number, numerator. Number, numerator. Para hindi mawala. Again, NN. Number, numerator. Number, numerator. Okay? And 8% sa denominator. So, it's written as 32 times, divided by 0.08. Diba? Pag-move nito, 1, 2. So, it's 0.08. I have a video on this. Please watch. And let's do the math. 0.8 divided by 32. Move to 1, 2, 1, 2. Ay, ganyan lang pala, sir. Yes, ganyan lang pala. Kasi 2 times ka nag-move dito sa divisor. So, 2 times ka na lang din mag-add ng 0 if whole number. Okay? So, 8. So, it's 4, sir. 4 times 8, 32. Ay, 0 na agad, sir. Hence, may dalawang 0 pa kasi ilagay mo na lang yan sa quotient. And the answer is 400. Sige daw, let's check kung totoo bang 400. So, percentage is base times rate. Ang base na nakuha, 400. Ang rate na given is 8%. Okay, multiply natin. 400 times 0.080032. 2 decimal places, it's 32. Again, I also have a discussion on multiplication of decimals. So, see, dapat may mastery kayo. So, if you want to learn math, if you want to learn basic mathematics, because as we go on with our discussion with higher mathematics, with higher basic mathematics, kasi may lowest pa, yung mga basic multiplication lang, division, adding, subtracting. Pero kung hindi mo yan master, hindi mo to makukuha. If you don't know how to divide decimals, you will not know how to find the base or the rate later. Ganyan lang po. So, if you want to learn something, especially mathematics, deal with the basics first. Multiplying, dividing, adding, subtracting of decimals, whole number, fractions. And the higher mathematics will just be so easy. I love to learn math. I love to learn math. I love to learn math. And these 4 numbers will be your homework. Please comment down below and I'll just reply sa comment mo. Congratulations for passing the LET and the CSC examinations. Keep on learning, everyone. Like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and share with other friends. Please po. Thank you!